एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दी चैनल। होप करता हूँ कि आप सब अच्छे हैं, मैं भी अच्छा हूँ और आप भी अच्छे रहें। तो बहुत टाइम हो गया ब्लॉग नहीं आया। लॉकडाउन की वजह से आई वाज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम एंड आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग टाइम, और मैं मतलब बाहर भी बहुत कम ही जा रहा था। तो फिर से शुरुआत करते हैं। एंड एज यू कैन सी आई हैव चेंज द नेम ऑफ माई चैनल टू रॉयल बीस्ट। आई गॉट दिस नेम 3 to 4 days back when I was riding my Royal Enfield, and I thought that why shouldn't I name it as Royal Beast? So it clicked in my mind and I did it. So today I'll be reviewing some of the products. First of all, let me say this is not a paid review, but yes, I will be doing some of the reviews for the WoW products. So let's go over and check the whole video till the end. And if you are new at my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And if you have any questions and concerns about the review which I'm going to do right now, you can ask me in the comments. All right, so चलिए फिर देखते हैं. Let's start. So alright guys, so as we had a word in the beginning कि आज मैं कुछ रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ वो प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. So let's start with the first product. Let's start with the men's face cream. So if we talk about this cream, this includes red onion, and this is a face cream. You can apply it after washing your face with this face wash which we have over here. I have ordered this from Amazon, and this was apple cider vinegar product. If you see, it's a foaming face wash, and you get this brush in this as well. Just open it like this, and if you press it a little bit, so it will come like this. And after that, you just have to, after face wash, you just have to remove this one and clean it with water. Insert it back, hold it from here. You see a clip over here, just press it and it will be back to the normal. So it's a great thing. You can use this face wash, and I'm using this product, and you can check it's almost empty. So I'm using this product from more than 1 month, and it's been great. It affected my skin as well. I was getting dark spots, and I was getting dark circles as well, and I have a oily skin, so it suited me perfectly. So I don't have any more concerns about this product. And this one is a WoW cream which you can apply after this WoW product, and as you can check, this is almost over as well. So I have ordered these products again as I was using it. So right now the cream will not come out, but yes, what you have to do is you just have to press this like this, and the cream will come over here. You just have to take it from here on your hand or on your face, and you can apply it gently. So this is the face cream, and yes, let me show you. It's almost over. I have already used this product. This is also a great product from WoW. Why I'm doing this? Because I thought that I'm using it and it helped me a lot, as I was getting a hair loss and I was getting pimples on my face. So these products helped me a lot, and so I thought that I should share my review as well with you all. So after that, let's go to the body moisturizer. This is with shea and cocoa butter and argan oil and beetroot extracts, and this is a very good product. I'm using it. It's almost over. Let me say it once again, it's almost over. I have already used it, and you can see the thickness of this cream. It's so soft, and see, it's gone. No oil, nothing, it's gone. So it's a very great product, and let me say कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ना, ये इतना बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है कि अब मैं आपको इसकी मतलब जो फ्रेगरेंस है ना, वो यहाँ पे वीडियो के अंदर नहीं समझ में आएगी, लेकिन जब आप इस प्रोडक्ट को खुद यूज़ करेंगे ना, तो आपको समझ आएगा. और इसमें आप देख रहे हैं ये नो मिनरल ऑयल. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स विदाउट एनी कि सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. यू कैन यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. उसके बाद आता है ये हेयर मास्क. So let me show you and let me tell you how to apply this hair mask. So over here you see it's a red onion and black seed oil included in this hair mask. So what you have to do is, as you can see, it's a creamy based, like a conditioner, or you can say a hair cream. So what you have to do is you have to wash your hair with this shampoo. You see this shampoo over here, Wow shampoo, and this is also over. I have ordered these same products again because I'm using it from last 1 month and I got results, so that's why I'm saving this, I'm sharing this. So and you see the product quality, you get a cover as well, so that the shampoo doesn't get out if it pressed by a kid or something like that. So it's lock and open, lock, open. So this is a Wow product. This is again onion seed oil included in this shampoo, and let me tell you the ingredients over here. So it's with purified water, and it has sodium, almond oil, sweet oil, black seed oil, and there is an seed oil fragrance as well in this one. And how to use is just apply gently on your hair scalp and your hair and massage it for 1 or 2 minutes, and after that you can rinse it with hot water, or if you want you can do it with a cold water as well. And after applying this, just wait for your hair to get dry. Don't apply this hair mask in wet hair. So it has to be like कि थोड़ा सा गीला रह जाता है ना, हल्का सा, बिल्कुल मतलब तौलिए से टॉवल से पूंछ के तेज़ सिर में मार के वैसे नहीं सुखाने बाद, नेचुरली वो सूखने चाहिए. उसके बाद ये वाला आपने हेयर मास्क 2 फिंगर्स से थोड़ा सा इसको यहाँ से लेना है, ऐसे अपने हैंड पे लेके जेंटली मसाज करें और उसके बाद अपने हेयर में लगा लें. इसको कम से कम 5 से 10 मिनट तक मसाज करें अपने बालों में, और उसके बाद इसको 15 to 20 मिनट्स के लिए छोड़ दें अपने बालों के ऊपर लगा हुआ. उसके बाद इसको पहले हॉट वाटर से साफ़ करें अपने बालों को, और उसके बाद कोल्ड वाटर से 2 मिनट के बाद, एंड यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स. इट विल गिव एन इंटेंस फ्रेगनेंस इन योर हेयर, फ्रॉम योर हेयर, एंड you will get it, and it's beneficial. So how you have to use this, you have to use it every alternate Sunday for moisturizing your hair, not on daily basis. So shampoo is, yeah, you can use it on daily basis, that's not a concern. After this, if you're using a hair mask like on Sunday, so you don't have to use the conditioner. Otherwise you can use it after every 2 days. And this is also a onion black seed oil conditioner, which includes onion and black seed oil and sodium, and it's with no mineral. All products of Wow are with no mineral oil. And for this you can just apply the shampoo, and after that you can apply this conditioner. And yeah, this product I'm using it, and it's if you can see, it's half of the bottle is empty and half is left, so we'll be getting it empty and we'll order it again. But yes, it's a combo, so I have ordered it again, so I'll be having this conditioner, one new bottle with me in upcoming days. Okay, so this is the sunscreen. सो अभी तो विंटर्स आ रही हैं, लेकिन फिर भी सनबर्न तो होता ही है बाहर धूप में जाके, और गर्मियों के लिए तो बहुत अच्छी है ये है आपकी मॉडरेट ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम UV एंड UVB प्रोटेक्शन सनस्क्रीन मैट फिनिश. सो what you have to do is you have to just wash your face with this face wash, apply this cream, or else what you have to do is you just have to take a small amount of cream like this. Let me show you. You see, this is a matte finish. This is not a creamy look. It's just cream, but it has a matte finish. So you can see. So it has a matte finish. So when you will apply it on your hand, it will go like this. So every time you use any product from Wow, I recommend you please use it on your arm or on your hand to check if that product suits you, if you are not getting any allergy or something with any ingredient which is included in that. So if I rub it like this on my hand, so I was saying कि कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने से पहले अपने हैंड्स पे, अपने हाथों पे, अपनी बाजू पे, कहीं पे भी आप लगा के देख लें. सीधा डायरेक्टली फेस पे मत अप्लाई करें, कि उससे क्या होगा कि अगर आपको कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ से, किसी इंग्रेडिएंट से जो ऐसा है कि जो इस वाव प्रोडक्ट में है उससे आपको एलर्जी है, तो वो आपको परेशानी नहीं देगा. तो ये ना हो कि प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने के चक्कर में डॉक्टर के पास दवाई नहीं दे. एंड यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट ऑन माई हैंड. See this and see this. This is a matte finish, and after 1 or 2 hours it will be gone and your face will look like normal. Good product. When I ride my bike, I usually use these products, and I have already used one product of this one. This is the second one. I have ordered the same, and this is a very good product. Alright, so we are just left with the main thing and the best thing which I liked about WOW products. Let's talk about this black onion hair oil. So this is the hair oil. As you can see, this is also onion black seed hair oil, WOW product. And if I can tell you the fragrance of this product, it's like jatun and everything over here in this product, and it's no mineral. So if you are getting a hair loss, I recommend, I'm not saying that if you have a bald head, or if your hairs are like you have a dandruff or something, it will work on it. But if you have a bald head, it will not. In any case, if the hair is growing, or if it has some of the small hairs which are not so strong, so ये उसमें हेल्प करेगा. तो अगर आप गंजे हो तो मैं ये रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हाँ ठीक है, ये हो सकता है कि हेयर ग्रो भी कर दे, बट आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर. बट यहाँ लेकिन मेरे को इस प्रोडक्ट नहीं, क्योंकि माई हेयर वॉज गेटिंग ऑफ. भाई मेरे बाल बहुत झड़ रहे थे, तो मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ किया 1 महीने से. और आई विल शेयर द फोटोज एज वेल फ्रॉम द ओल्ड एंड द न्यू लुक विच आई हैव. एंड आई कट माई हेयर टू 0. And after that, I started using this product. Use this product and massage it from 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, just get a towel, rinse it in the hot water. निचोड़ें उसको और अपने बालों में बांध लें. 15 से 20 मिनट के लिए उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दें. उसके बाद हटाएं रात को और सो जाएं. If I will recommend if you use it at night when you are sleeping, it will give we can say 120% result of this product. And you can apply it on daily basis as well. Just take a small amount of oil and use it when you're going to your jobs, when you're going outside somewhere. Use sunscreen and use this oil, and this is it. These are the all products which I have from WOW, and I was thinking of sharing this review from last couple of days, but I was not getting time. But yeah, I have many products as well. I have got mobile chargers and other stuff as well, so I will be sharing the reviews on that as well. So you will be getting that videos in upcoming 1 or 2 days. कंटेंट थोड़ा सा बचा के भी तो रखना है. सारा एक ही वीडियो में दिखा दूंगा तो कैसे मज़ा आएगा आप लोगों को. तो बस अभी के लिए इतना ही था. चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, अलविदा, माशाल्लाह मा, टेक केयर, डू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, आर लवली फ्रेंड्स, बट ट्रबल नहीं करना किसी को भी, और मास्क पहन के रखना है हमेशा, और हाथों को सैनिटाइज करना है. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.